Okay, go check it out. You good? Okay, Betula Lake Resort. Give a tour of the cabin. What are we all going to do this weekend?
I don't know.
Give a tour. I'm going to do
e-bikes.
Okay, rule number 1 of camping / cabining is you need a drink. Okay, so I've got venison bites that have been marinating for 2 days now. We've got a maple bourbon marinade. These are going to be delicious. I'm going to put them on skewers with some peppers. We're going to bake some potatoes, and it's going to be an awesome supper. First, bush. Okay, let's get cooking. Check out this little camping kit we picked up at Costco.
Daddy, look what I found under the stairs.
Free Hot Wheels.
It's not Hot Wheels. Does it say anything about?
Check out that knife. That was a close call. Heavy on the butter. There go our potato packets. Okay, preheat the barbecue.
Look at this.
Okay, so this is it. This is going to be our home for the weekend. Nice little cabin. Make some s'mores on the fire later. Kids are trying fishing already. Supper's starting to smell good. It's going to be a fun weekend.
Beautiful. Look how good that looks. Picnic table. Smells so good. I already see it.
And there's more meat if we're still hungry. Okay, it's about 9:30 now. We're gonna try and catch a few little crappie before the sun completely goes down. Let's see how this goes.
Or tangled or something. It doesn't want to go down.
Okay, who's ready to go fishing?
Me? Do we get the keys?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Fishing, fishing.
Yeah, well, you just stay home though.
Okay, this is gonna be our boat for the day. Who's ready?
This one's ours.
This one's ours.
Reeling in a fish. See what's gonna be.
Pulling hard.
Walleye.
We need a good walleye.
Yeah, give it a good walleye. Give us like a 18-inch walleye, please.
What is it? What is it?
Let's
Check
see.
out that rod in action.
It's dipping pretty hard there.
Pull it up. Pull it up.
Oh, let's go. Something other than a pike.
It is a beautiful walleye.
Walleye, guys.
Anyone?
Do we have our stringer? Yeah.
Yeah, that is the perfect walleye.
That is a beautiful walleye. How big do you think? Imagine it's exactly 18 inches.
It's like 19.
That's 18 and a half, 19
That's
inch
it.
walleye.
That's a 19-inch walleye. What a beautiful one.
Whatever it is, it's big.
Good.
That's a big one. You got this rod,
Rod
Benji.
industry.
I got 2 rods. If I
Well, just hold on. A pike.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Here, hold it, Jay.
I can't.
Oh yeah, everybody's hands are full.
Calm that pike down.
Another little pike.
That's like the littlest pike we've caught so far.
It is.
Ah. You're a jumpy boy.
Yeah, he just.
Okay, here we go, little buddy. Keep going. You missed him again.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one. He's small, but he's a nice one.
Hey, knock it off, fish.
Sir.
There, another pike.
Are we gonna keep that guy?
We want another walleye. The perfect cast and the perfect fish. Come on, walleye, walleye.
Big walleye.
Walleye.
Big walleye, please. Big. Really? Another pike?
Hey, that's a big one.
We've had enough of you. We've had enough of you.
He just went wee.
Okay, right here.
You got him?
That's a good size.
We've had enough of these.
How much pike
Put him in the water.
do we?
Hold onto his tail.
Yeah.
See if I can get a nice video of him swimming away when you, even though he's.
Yeah, that wasn't a great video of him running away.
We're capturing so much and we're small.
I don't know if you can even tell in the video. Now it's raining. Actually looks pretty cool on the water. But the fish are still biting. The boys don't want to pack it in yet. Or should we go back?
One more walleye.
2 more fish. I need to catch a fish.
2 more fish? Okay, now we've got to cook up those fish. Yeet. What's your first impression? Is that the one you caught? Is it good?
Was it a really bony one? It's like.
Good? Nailed it? Good. Look at what we discovered looking for a new fishing spot. Check out this view. Manitoba actually has some pretty cool places to offer.